Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdor, bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya from Don Bosco Media Network. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. KSU is against university's research on uranium radiation outbreak in Jindran. Light to moderate rainfall at most places is very likely to occur in Meghalaya tomorrow. And Group C and all non-Gazette employees in Group B who are not covered by any productivity-linked bonus scheme will be entitled to get an ad hoc bonus of Rs 7,000 each. And now the news in detail. The Khasi Student Union West Khasi Hills unit has alleged and accused the state government of diverting the genuine issue of the ongoing uranium toxin outbreak at Jindran by enforcing to implement universities to inspect and assess the matter. As per the notification issued by the union, it was informed that the association were made aware on Tuesday that the state government, through its Chief Secretary M.S. Rao, have intentional notion to commission the Indian Institute of Technology IIT Guwahati and Northeastern Hill University NEHU to carry out a meticulous and didactic research of the radiation released from the uranium site. The union stated that there is an overall comprehension that a deal has been made between the two sides in order to conceal the alarming truth. The Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development, DBT IBSD Shillong Meghalaya, under the leadership of the Director IBSD, Professor Pulok K. Mukherjee, distributed the institute-made surface disinfectant to the Pomlom High Secondary School, Himamalayam, in presence of the headmaster, Mr. H. Karim, and teaching staff with an aim to help the society in combating the pandemic. The institute will continue its distribution to the frontliners as part of the outreach activity. The lower-ranked central employees belonging to the Group C and all non-Gazette employees in Group B who are not covered by any productivity-linked bonus scheme will be entitled to get an ad hoc bonus of Rs 7,000 each during the festive season of Durga Puja. This good tiding has also reached to all groups of central employees working in Shillong. They have termed it as a kind gesture on the part of the Government of India. Employees of central paramilitary forces and armed forces will also be eligible for this ad hoc bonus. Only those employees who were in service as on March 31, 2020 and have rendered at least 6 months of continuous service during the year 2019-2020 will be eligible to receive the bonus. The government was willing to part with Rs 3,737 crore bonus to 30.67 lakh central government employees to encourage spending during the festive season and add to demand in the economy. The well-marked low-pressure area over West Central Bay of Bengal and neighbourhood has concentrated into a depression over northwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal and centred about 180 km southeast of Paradip, Odisha, 350 km southeast of Sagar Islands, West Bengal, and 490 km southwest of Khepupara, Bangladesh. It is very likely to intensify further into a deep depression. It has moved northeastwards and crossed West Bengal and adjoining Bangladesh coast as a deep depression between Sagar Islands, West Bengal and Khepupara, Bangladesh yesterday. Rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy rainfall coupled with thunderstorms and lightning occurred at isolated places today. Official sources said that light to moderate rainfall at most places is very likely to occur in Meghalaya tomorrow. The well-marked low-pressure area over West Central Bay of Bengal and neighbourhood has concentrated into a depression over northwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal and centred about 180 km south of southeast of Paradip, Odisha, 350 km south of southeast of Sagar Islands, West Bengal, and 490 km south of southwest of Khepupara, Bangladesh. It is very likely to intensify further into a deep depression. It has moved northeastwards and crossed West Bengal and adjoining Bangladesh coast as a deep depression between Sagar Islands, West Bengal and Khepupara, Bangladesh yesterday. Rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy rainfall coupled with thunderstorm and lightning occurred at isolated places today. Official sources said that light to moderate rainfall at most places is very likely to occur in Meghalaya tomorrow. A meeting was convened with leaders of different religious groups of Greater Shillong City at the conference room of the Office of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District, Shillong. Around 15 representatives of different faiths attended the meeting, in which a superintendent of police, ADCs and sector magistrates were also present. The meeting was held to seek the support of various faiths in ensuring that peace and a spirit of harmony prevail in the run-up to the Durga Puja festival. During the meeting, the leaders of all the different religious faiths expressed their well wishes to the Central Puja Committee and the brothers and sisters of the Hindu community and sought the prayers of the citizenry at large for the success of the Puja celebrations and also for peace in the city and the state as a whole. The meeting was attended by the representatives of Central Puja Committee, the Shillong All Faiths Forum, and had representatives from the Muslim, Sikh, Christian denominations and the Singh Khasi Kame. Let us now have a look at the COVID-19 updates for today. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.